Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram. Go to your profile page on the bottom right corner. Click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy option. Now click on Account Center option. Tap on Personal Details option and go to Account Ownership and Control. Here you can see deactivation or deletion option. Click on it. Now select delete account option. Then tap on continue button. Here you'll have to choose a reason for deleting your account and tap on continue button. Tap on continue button once again. Here you'll have to enter your password. Again tap on continue button. Now click on delete account option. And that is how you can delete your Instagram account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.